$1,400 stimulus checks could be going out this month. All the information on stimulus checks going out this month. Hey, what is up YouTube? Welcome back to another show. I hope that you guys are having a very great day today. I hope that everything is going good. I hope that you're smiling and things are working out for you. Guys, we have so much news to talk about. On this channel, we talk about stimulus, politics, things that Joe Biden is doing, things that are happening in this country. We know that everybody could use more money. We're just looking at the Supreme Court, Congress, White House to kind of get their things together to pass out stimulus checks. But if that doesn't happen, then there's states who are coming together to make that happen. We have all the information and the most updated news on states that are sending out stimulus checks. Now, I wish that everybody was doing it. I wish that every state would send out a $2,000 stimulus check, but then you've got some states that are sending out $1,000, and honestly, you've got some states that are sending out $250, like North Carolina. But there again, guys, we have the most updated information that we're going to be bringing to you soon. So stay tuned because you don't want to miss. So with all this news going around, make sure to hit that subscribe button to stay updated on all this news. And if you think that we could use another president, then smash that like button. Guys, President Biden and his team are doing everything they can. I came across an article that simply said this. Boom. Biden reportedly considering lifting Trump-era tariffs on Chinese goods. Could that help tame U.S. inflation? Now, many of us understand that it is possible that the United States could run into a recession, so they're doing everything they can to help lower inflation so that a recession does not happen. But I'm curious, from you viewers there, do you think that the United States is in a recession? Here's why I say that. So this guy, Elon Musk, said that we are already in it. Of course, him and Biden has some choice words, but there again, the guy that knows his money and knows how to make money and is one of the richest guys in the world, he said, looking at the economy in the way that it is, we're already there. But I see things that the Biden administration is trying to do, and they're literally trying to help this global inflation. Now, this is something that really didn't make sense to me. The U.S. exported oils and goods, right, to other countries. Now, I'm trying to think from our reserve, right, from our reserve. Why in the world, if the supply and demand is so high in this country, why would we be sending it to another country? Guys, let me know what you think about it in the comments below, because to me, maybe I'm missing something. Maybe maybe something's not clicking right, because we need it. Our gas wouldn't be that high if we were able to use our own reserves. That's just me saying. Let's move on. So did you know that possibly with this whole recession thing, things that are going on, inflation, the cost of goods going up, that this could drive another stimulus check? Here's what I'm saying. Check this article out. Boom. Stimulus update. This is the #1 reason another check could be on the table. This would be coming from the federal government, and this is why another check could be possible is if the United States went into a recession. Because if the United States went into a recession, so many people are going to be needing help. They don't really have another choice. But here is my thought. It shouldn't have to take a recession to send out checks, because there are people struggling right now. They're going to struggle even worse if a recession hit, because you know how that goes. 2008 was a scary time. People lost businesses, homes, jobs, you name it, they lost it. And it's a very scary thing. And some people are going through that right now. And so to send out checks when that happened, I think they're just waiting too long. But let me know, guys, what you think down in the comments below of when they should send out a check and how much. And I think that's a really good question to ask you viewers. How much do you think the stimulus check should be if they were to send one out? Would it go from $1,000, $1,200, $1,400, or $2,000, or better yet, $2,500? Let me know down in the comments below. So now, moving on to some stimulus check update information on states that are sending out stimulus check and states that are still proposing. So let's dive on the screen. So some Americans are getting up to $1,000 cash as the White House remains silent on new stimulus checks. Here's every state sending relief. We know that the rise in cost of fuel and everything going up, money is needed. You've got California, well, we all knew that. You've got Colorado, $400 cash back. Delaware, $300 per adult. Georgia, giving up to $250. Married couples can get $500. Hawaii, getting up to $300 rebate. Idaho, getting up to $75. Illinois, $50 for individuals, $100 per dependent for 3 children. Indiana, they're trying to give out $125 checks. Kentucky, rebates up to $500, $1,000 for joint. Maine is the $850 inflation relief checks. New Jersey, up to $500. New Mexico, $750 stimulus checks. Minnesota, $750 for frontline workers. Virginia, trying to give $250 for individuals, $500 for married couples. And then here are the states that are pending. You've got New Hampshire. You've got Kansas. North Carolina of $200 payments. South Carolina, up to $400 checks. And that's it, guys. Those are the states that are literally getting things moving. And then you have the states that are proposing. Now, the good thing is North Carolina with $200 payments. You got South Carolina with $400 payments. You've got Kansas. You've got all these other states. But yet, no Louisiana, no Texas, and no Florida. And I'm sorry, guys. I know that is not the good news that you want to hear. Just because those states they're really big states, they should be doing a lot for the residents. But it doesn't look like anything is happening. But don't worry. John Muro is here to make sure we keep you updated on all your stimulus news. So don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel to stay updated. We're also doing a huge giveaway for $250 for 2 lucky subscribers that we'll do on this channel. We're also doing a $100 Visa gift card giveaway for 1 lucky subscriber. And all you have to do is smash that like button and comment the word Visa gift card and you're entered in to win. Guys, thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned for more videos to come. And until next time, I'm John Muro. Peace!